Na pediang sobhai phi barok ki perlok ki bapeyak ni ka YouTube channel Eligious Thong ni. Katkum katalong kubor belami napo kanong ba Mumbai. Layatu ba wei u aktor uba paunam jongka Bollywood ulayo yaka jingpang coronavirus. Uta u aktor u karteng u Amitabh Bachchan. Om tang ma u Henry u khun jong uru udai u aktor uba paunam jongka Bollywood. But menta u khun jong uru ulayo yaka jingpang coronavirus but u khun jong u Uday u Abhishek Bachchan. Yakane layatu nila pentip da u Amitabh Bachchan hapo ka Twitter akaw ka jong u henen kasni. Ula ong shushu ru ba menta ngila don haka jing stumar hapo hospital. Bat ula ong ru ba baro kinong tre jong u ki haban le tes COVID-19. Kumbang itip ru ba ka jala Maharashtra kadeka wei na ki jala ka ba wan nengkong ha baro ka wei ka India haka jing syakta hauni coronavirus bat menta baro kibriu kibayo yakani ka jingpang coronavirus habro ka jala Maharashtra kelakot syaka arlak 10,000 hendrus pangut kibla khatno 10,000 sispa khandrungut kibla koj baro silak 11,000 khandai spa sapsan bat kibrang don menta hapdeng ka jingsha sumar lani active case kisa setang khandai hajar spa khandai ngut nabro ka wei ka jala Maharashtra.
Namaskar, this is Amitabh Bachchan. I am wanting to talk to all the doctors, nurses and the staff at Nanavati Hospital for their tremendous work that you're doing in these very trying circumstances. They are trying times. Everyone is being worked to their absolute limits. There is always fear, there's perhaps depression, but please, do not despair. Do not panic. We're all together in this. We're all working together. And we hope and wish that very soon we shall come out of these extraneous circumstances. Thank you so much, Nanavati Hospital, and all the nurses and doctors and the people that are working there, the staff at Nanavati Hospital. I have had a wonderful experience every time I have been to your facility. और मैं जानता हूं कि आप का स्नेह, आपका प्यार मेरे स्वास्थ्य के लिए कितना आवश्यक रहा है. आज मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसी तरह काम करते रहें.